Hi, my name is Harvin, and I'm ready to fail this challenge. That was way too short. My guess is going to be a Walter P99 chambered in 9mm, but I'm going to guess I'm very, very wrong. Okay. CZ P09 chambered in 9mm. Ooh, this is a heavy boy. That was a Glock G something, but it's chambered in 45. 10 folio, chambered in 45. That was a Sig Sauer P226S, chambered in 9mm. My name is still Harvin, and I feel like I did pretty terrible. I'm hoping for, maybe half a point to go on my side.
Hi guys, my name's Dylan. I like turtles. That right there, that is an FNS 40. Oh, that's an American Ringer. That right there is a Glock 21 45. That's a Sig 226, 9mm. This is the TT 45. That was a pretty hard challenge. However, I feel pretty confident. I know my firearms.
Hey everybody, my name is Cheryl. Welcome to the 5-gun challenge. I'm gonna guess that it was the M&P 40. 9mm, let's say the FNS. Oh dear. Sig, 9mm, 226.
All right, that was time. Put it down.
Oh. No. M&P 9. Glock 45. Glock 45. So I have no idea if I got any of those right, but I sure think I knew the Glock.
Hi, my name is David, and today I'm going to be trying to figure out which guns are which blindfolded. Okay, so let's see here. Gun number 1. Ruger American, that'll be 9mm. Okay, well, let's see this one here. I would say that is an FN. Maybe in 40 caliber. Okay, oh, steel frame gun. I would say that's probably a Jericho 941 in 9mm. Let's see here. Oh, that's a beefy gun, polymer frame. I would have to say a Glock 22 in 40 caliber. Okay, ooh, that is a single stack grip. Feels like a Sig? Wait, oh, Ivan, you silly. That is our Sig P220. That's our demo gun for safety. So that is a 45 caliber. Okay, well that was an interesting experience for sure. 15 seconds is not a lot of time, but I feel like I did okay. I did all right, but I guess I'll find out in a moment.
Hey guys, I'm Kayla, and I'm excited about this challenge that we're gonna be doing. A Ruger American and 9mm. Oh! I don't know! You know what? That's an FN. FN in 40 cal. Oh my god. That is a Jericho Baby Eagle at 9mm. A Sig Sauer 229 in 9mm. Oh, that is a Glock 21 and 45. Well, I think I did probably 4 out of 5 guesses probably right, but I guess we'll find out.
Hey guys, Ethan here. Not too sure how I feel about this challenge. Let's see how she goes. Jeez, that's a tough one. Kind of want to say it's a Sig Sauer 9mm, maybe 320. I want to say that's the FNS 40. Okay, now that is actually the Sig Sauer 320 and 9mm. I want to say it's a Tank Folio 45. I'm all out of ideas, man. Tap out on that one. Well, safe to say, guys, I think I did pretty terrible. Maybe got one in there.
Hi, my name is Jimmy, and I don't know what this challenger will be, so let me see. Luger American Eagle, 9mm. It will be FMS, 9mm maybe. It will be 6R226, 9mm. It will be a Glock G21 45 caliber. It will be 1040 or 45. It's a big challenger. I think you should try it.